The Hardie Trim-Over Method is built to deliver the same long-term performance Hardie products have delivered for decades, with faster installs, less material, and greater productivity on every job. When installed correctly, the Hardie Trim-Over Method is designed to effectively manage water penetration and pest intrusion. You'll notice a small gap between the trim and the plank. That gap is intentional and consistent with what you'll see across several common cladding systems. It helps to understand the role that cladding plays as the first layer of a larger wall assembly or the building envelope that relies on layering and redundancy to ensure a structure's long-term performance. The weather-resistive barrier, often called house wrap, functions as a drainage plank behind the cladding to manage water by preventing moisture from accumulating behind the cladding or from entering into the wall assembly. Good water management in locations where the Hardie Trim-Over Method is applied is accomplished by installing corner flashing. The weather-resistive barrier corner flashing protects the OSB. In turn, they're protected by overlapping planks and trim. Unlike wood-based materials, fiber cement doesn't rot and is not an attractive food source or shelter for insects or rodents. Caulk is neither recommended nor needed in this gap. Less caulking means fewer installation steps, a cleaner look, and meaningful time savings, helping your crews work faster and more efficiently.